Hello friends, welcome to my channel and new video. If you don't know how can you earn from YouTube traffic without Google AdSense? Or you don't know how to make extra money on YouTube? This video is for you, watch the full video and don't skip. If you're a newbie YouTuber and don't have high traffic on your channel, and don't have 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscriber yet, don't worry, you also can make money on YouTube after watching this video. Go to adstera.com. Adstera is a world-known ad network with a partner care approach, serving over 30 billion ad impressions per month worldwide. It works with 12K plus direct publishers and 9K plus brands, affiliates, media agencies, and ad networks dealing with mainstream and non-mainstream verticals. Advertisers may choose between an intuitive self-serve platform with automated onboarding and live chat support, or working through a personal manager. Adstera provides only 7 basic ad formats, but with these 7, you can design a huge number of ad types aimed at different advertising objective. Those 7 formats are pop-under ads, display banners, vast video ads, in-page push ads, native advertising, and social bar ads. All the ads format are all device-friendly. Adstera is a great ad network to use for publishers with any amount of traffic, both large or small. If you have a heavy source of US or European traffic, this ad network is going to be a great choice for you. It provides high payments that are comparable to AdSense, which makes it a great alternative. If this is your first time, go to sign up and register your account on Adstera, but I already have an account, want to log in as a publisher. After you completed and created your account, from menu side go to referrals. It's your invite link. Refer new publishers to Adstera network and earn 5% of their revenue lifetime. The more people you refer, the more income you get. It means, whenever a new publisher registers with your referral link on Adstera, you can get 5% of its revenue lifetime from Adstera. So copy the link and paste it to description of your video. And invite your visitor to use your referral link for registering to Adstera. Another way to make money with your YouTube traffic is direct link. Adstera Direct Link, also, Smart Direct Link, is a monetization ad unit for publishers and webmasters. It does not have any visual format, only an URL. You request this unique URL from Adstera and then put it anywhere, on your web page, mobile app, or use it for making money on social traffic. As much you want you can request direct link for your traffic and your website. And anytime you can edit your ads. If you don't want to have the category ads, put remove tick and the click, ad. Then copy the link and put it on description of your video. Don't forget that you can put multiple direct links on each of your videos. Whenever visitor visit and click on your direct link, your income in Adstera is increase. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, this info card allows you to link to an external website to share with your audience. You can add and set up the direct link on your new upload ad cards as well. Also, publisher use Adstra ads for monetizing their website. What is really inspiring is that you need the very same set of actions to place any of the above listed Adstera formats. There are two ways of adding ads to monetize a blogger-based website or blog. If you need an ad placement to appear on every page and be fixed to the page's structure, example a sidebar, you should put Adstera codes inside the Blogspot theme. The second way of showing adverts to your blog's visitors is to place them on a blog post page. In this case, your audience will only meet ads when they open this page. It could be a homepage, for instance. If you have blog or website, check out my channel. I already have recorded video about Adstera and Adstera ads set up on Blogger. Thanks for coming and watching this video. Bye.